Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. And welcome to day 18 of Vlogmas. And in today's video I'm going to share with you my Papergang for December. And as you all know, I love Papergang, I love the subscription box, and it's all to do with stationery. So I love the print of this month. It is like the sky, I guess, a little bit. And then on the back has got addresses, like change of address things, which are really cute. And obviously you can cut them out. Yeah, so again, like always, it's one where you can just pull it out and it's got like the sleeve. So I'll do that now and share with you. I'll share with you what's inside the box. Okay, so as you know, navy blue is my favourite colour and the tissue paper is navy blue. So the first thing I have got, oh, I should tell you. So every month on the back of, or on the lid of the box, it tells you how Papergang works and how it's sent out to the world, blah blah blah. And this is the pamphlet on it, or like the leaflet this month. And it tells you what everything is and how much it is. Because you can buy the majority of this stuff on its own. So if you do like something in this box, you can buy that off of Oh Dear. And then it tells you about the illustrator, and then it's got all different things in here. So I'll go through that in a minute. So the second thing I found in this box is this card, which says happy birthday, and it's a camper van. And I think this is a unisex card, really. It could be for anyone. I like the colours on it. It's kind of pastel, but with the bright orange and red to it, and it is quite cute. So someone that likes travelling, or you know, has a caravan, this will be quite cool for them. So I should tell you, this happy birthday greetings card, it is printed in the UK and that retails at £2.75. The next thing I have got, it says you make me a happy camper, and it's like a postcard. And so this is obviously themed as like a travel-y outdoors type box. So this is obviously if someone likes camping, or you go camping with them or whatever, then this is quite good to give them. And you can't buy that only comes in the box. So the next thing I have got is this iron-on badge which says charting unknown territories, and again it's with the theme, I guess, with like a compassy type arrows and camouflage hills. Which that's something I won't use, but obviously if you're into that sort of thing then you would, or younger people like that sort of thing anyway. The next thing I have, oh, so the woven patch is £3.95. The next thing I have got is 4 sheets of Oh Dear stickers. I will use these because I love to use these like in bullet journaling and stuff like that. So again, these are like camp theme, outside themed type thing, I'd say like adventure themed, and these the pack would cost £3.95, and I will use these for travel blogs. I will use these for travel journals, and just to cover in my journal and stuff like that, because yeah. And the final thing I've got in this book is something actually I've asked for Christmas, and I hope to have got, which actually is an Oh Dear journal, daily planner, whatever you want to call it. But I've just been given one, and I love this one that is in like the navy blue and that, which is definitely me, with the rose gold. And this is like a 5 size. I'll try and show you the inside. This is really good. It's got like a timetable from 6 AM till midnight, and it says not urgent, urgent, date, today's objective and to do, and then on the other side is a note page. and I'm not sure if they are now, but their journals were half price for a while from Black Friday, and I think I'm pretty sure they still were last week. So if you would like to get this A5 Slim Diet Daily Planner, this would cost £12.95. That's normal price. But I love how, like, I love the colours of it. I do actually need to write a daily plan. Like, I need to document everything I do each day for my doctor, actually, for the hospital. So as much as I really would like one and hope to get one for Christmas, I might use this one as that and transfer to the other one, because it is good to write down stuff. And self-care, writing it all, bullet journaling and making sure you stay on track is key to being your top self. So I really love this. I love the colours of it, and I love like the rose gold with it, or copper with the red orange ribbon, and I can't wait to use this. So I'm so excited to use it. And that is everything for my Papergang for December. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favourite thing from my box. And thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.